Alright, here's a little tip here. I just want to show you these things. I've got some kitchen scissors here, and they've had a bit of work. They've been in the dishwasher a few times. Putting them in the dishwasher is bound to blunt them quickly. And I've got another pair here I pulled apart. I thought I'd better video this for you. So what I've got here, I'm going to sharpen them. Alright, so what I've got here is a combination sharpening stone. Here's the original packet it's come out of. So it's got the coarse on it. So the top here, the darker one, is coarse, and this one here is a little bit finer. Now this is a combination sharpening stone, and you're supposed to use oil on it. Alright, so I've got some light oil, so we'll just whack some oil on here. And if you want to, you can use your old trusty WD-40 or any other spray. So I'm just going to spray that, and then what you do is you might be able to see the angle on the blade there. So I'm just going to run the blade over it just like this. Both blades, both sides, coarse and then the fine, and we'll see what they come up like. Alright, so a couple of tips about using these combination stones here. Make sure you've got plenty of oil on them, and so I'll just flip this over, make sure that we'll do the coarse first. And what you want to do is you want to avoid getting grooves down the middle. Alright, so you've got to use the whole stone, and you're going to use it flat like this. So I'm going to do it across. I can't actually take these scissors apart, even though it's got a screw in there. It's actually riveted through there. So I'm just going to leave it like this. We'll hang it over the edge, and this is what we're going to try and do. There's a little, you can see the area of the blade along there. We're going to make sure that that's actually flat on across this stone here. So what you can do, you just make sure that you feel it, feel the angle, and we're just going to go in small circular motions like this across the stone. So you should be able to feel it. If it's cutting in, then you just twist it over a little bit to try and get it on the right angle. So that should be enough for one blade. We'll just flip it over and do the other blade. There we go, and we're going to use all the stone. And we'll flip it over. Just give it a quick spray. Trusty WD-40. It's a good lubricant. And here we go. We'll just do a fine cut. It's one blade done. That's all it needs. There we go. So I'll give that a wipe and get all the oil off it. And have a look at this. Here's another little tip. I'm just going to whack a little bit of WD-40 just in the hinges there. So there you go. Sharp scissors again, job done.